Concerning news for parents with sick kids at home. Two major pharmacy chains, CVS and Walgreens, are now limiting the amount of children's cold and flu medications that you can buy in the face of record demand. So what can parents do to cope? Gabe Gutierrez has more details.
This morning, growing concern in the cold and flu aisle. Pharmacy shelves often stripped bare of the medications that sick kids need the most. As respiratory illnesses in children keep spiking, sales of children's pain and fever medications have more than doubled from last year. To make sure more people have access, CVS is now restricting purchases of children's pain relief products to just 2 at a time, both online and in person. Walgreens imposing a purchase limit of 6 for pediatric fever meds, blaming increased demand and supplier challenges. The limit only applies to online purchases, not in store. While the FDA tells us it's not seeing widespread shortages of these products, Johnson & Johnson, the maker of children's Tylenol and Motrin, says it's working to maximize production capacity. But some in Congress say more needs to be done. With 2 sick kids at home, Mom Natalie LeClaire says she's had to pay her pharmacist extra to compound a special dose of children's ibuprofen.
The bottle cost $30, which was a lot of money compared to how much a bottle is usually, which is around $13. So I did that in the interim, but it's not a sustainable thing for us.
Doctors say if your kid's usual cold and flu meds are sold out, consider buying generic store brands. They're just as effective. You may be able to give older children adult versions of certain medications, but definitely check with your pharmacist first. And if your child has a fever, medication may only be necessary if they're experiencing pain or discomfort. Otherwise, use home remedies like cold drinks, popsicles, and a cool towel to the forehead. They can all help bring the temperature down.
I tell parents, don't freak out about the actual fever. If the kid's doing well, there's no reason to give them medication.